you're going for the ultimate in full body grooming, you can't forget your back. The Mangroomer Ultimate Pro Back Shaver has you covered, allowing you to reach the most difficult to reach parts of your back while giving you the close, smooth shave you want. The Mangroomer Ultimate Pro Back Shaver comes with 2 shaving heads, an ultra-wide blade design for longer, coarser hair, and a bonus Ultimate Pro Foil head for an ultra-smooth shave and maintaining your look. Both attachment heads feature a shock-absorbing, multifunctional flex neck and head that effortlessly follows the contours of your back for complete range of motion and the closest shave imaginable. The Mangroomer Ultimate Pro Back Shaver includes a fully extendable and adjustable extreme reach handle, which locks into place at any range using the new Pro XL extension lock button to reach those difficult areas of your back, including the middle and lower portions of your back. The Mangroomer Ultimate Pro Back Shaver's unique patented design includes a 135-degree opening for the ultimate shave, but can also lock to the preferred angle by using the patent-pending Power Hinge Easy Push Lock button, enabling you to reach all areas of your back with ease. It also conveniently folds and locks for easy storage and travel. We've also included our trademark Mangroomer Power Burst button, giving you the ability to shave through extra thick and coarse back hair with the push of a button. The ergonomic design features a soft, rubberized grip, allowing for maximum control and comfort. We've also included the added convenience of a quick charge battery that allows for easy and fast recharging. Keeping your body and your back neat, clean, and well-groomed says you've got it all together. The Mangroomer Ultimate Pro Back Shaver shows that you care about every detail of your body's look, both coming and going.
Please
Ultimate
subscribe,
confidence,
like and share to
ultimate
your friends
style,
and family.
Ultimate Pro. Mangroomer. Maintain your